So, good day, everyone. So, welcome to my YouTube class. Today, we want to look at conditional formatting. Conditional formatting, that is what we are looking at today. So, conditional formatting can be used to do a lot of things in Excel, to format a lot of things. Now, let's look at the data that we have here. This data consists of information of customer, a particular company. You can see the information that we have here. We have our customer ID. These are the names of the customer. These are the product ID, and these are the order ID. These are the units sold, and these are the what it shares the date purchase of those products. Now, this one of those things that we can use these things to do is that what we can use it to get customer that order for maybe I want to know the customer that order for 60 units and above, or I want to know the customer that order for 70 units and above. I want to know customer that order for a particular unit and above. So how do I do that? So what am I looking for? Customer that order for what? Let's start from 60 units and above. So I'll go to that unit sold. You can see it there. So then go to conditional formatting. Then after that, you click on it. So you can see the first thing here. So we have highlight cell rules. Can we see under it? We have greater than. Can we see greater than? So I will click on that. I say 60 and above. So that means I want you to start from 60. Exactly. That means I will write. I want you to start from 60. That means I will start from what? I will write 59. Because if I put 60 here, if you start from 61. Because if I put 59 here, so that means 60 will be included. But if I put 60 here, 60 will not be included. So format said that are greater, format cell that are greater than 59. That means you start from what? 60. 60. So what do we do? What do I do? I click on what? Okay. So you can also there's something there I want to show you as well. So greater than what? 69. So you can change after you have put your words 59, so that you can take note. You can change the color. You can see here it's red. You can change the color to maybe dark green. Can you see? You can change the color to dark green. Once you do that, what do? You okay. So now you can see here, these are not the uh these are not the only customer that order above 60. You can still go down. If you go down, we see another customer that can you see? Can we see that? Can we see? So we have other customer that order for 60 and above. So then what do we do to bring this customer bring this together? What do we do? So that means we are going to do what? We are going to filter it. So we filter it. How do we filter it? So you go to the first column here. Go to the first column here, click on the cell there, the first cell there. What do you do is what? Is hold down the shift key, hold it down, then you go to the last column here. So I want to put filter. The filter will enable me to what? To arrange it either in ascending order or descending order. So to bring it out, rather to bring it out. Those number you can what? You can be able to what? To bring it out. Exactly now. So they will be together. So now let's do that. So you hold down your shift key. So then you click on the last column. You can see. Once you do that, go to the filter. You go to the filter, then you click on what? Filter. So what do you do? That means we have added the filter successfully. So once you have done that, so what do you do next is what? Can you see? Click on that arrow sign that we have there. Click on it. Once you click on it, you sort by color. Which color did I choose? You can say I choose this particular color, this. So you just click on it. So you can see, can you see that it should bring everything together. So that means this is what maybe your boss need that particular data. This is what they need. Can you see? This is what you need to work on. This is what you want to bring out. Is that clear now? So that means we have Alice, we have all those things, we have prepare for anything, pistol, and so on and so forth. I believe that is clear. Now, if that one is clear, so let's also check some other thing that can be done here. Let's check. Now, you can also use it. Okay, let me just control Y so that you can see other things that we can what we can do as well. Okay, control Z. Now let's see. Let's see what other thing we can do. Now go again. I like several. Maybe you want to check. The other time we look for greater than. You want to check the customer that order for maybe 50 products or what or below 50 units of products or below. You can check how do you do that less than. So to check the customer order below what below 50 products, sorry, below 50 units. So what do we do? You can check below 50. That means we start from what? So below 50 will be what? 49. Format said that are less than what? That are less than 50. So below 50. So that means if I want 50, I don't want 50 to be included. So that means I will say right below 50. That means you are going to have it will start from what? Those it will start from 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, and so on and so forth. So the color, let's use red this time around. So I have not format. Sorry, let me clear this first. I need to clear this rule first. Sorry, take note of that. You clear the rules first. If you want to apply another one, you clear that one. So I've cleared it. So let's now go back. So less than 50. So 50, less than 50, less than 50. So you can see. So less than 50. So we have it here like this. So we can also filter it the way I did the other time. Let me do this one. How do you filter it? You can filter it out to take it out, to bring it out. So what do you do to filter it? The last thing I did, the last thing. So you also try to do it again. So hold down the shift key, then you go to the what? So the last column there. Then go to the filter. Then what do? You enable it. Once you enable it, you can what? You can go back to it again. Then you sort by color. Once you sort by color, you can see it will bring out only, and it will color only those that are what? That order for 50, less than 50 products, and what and below. Less than 50 units and what and below. So that is what that can do. I hope that it is clear. So we can clear the rules. So to clear the rule, what do you do? What do you do to clear the rules? So we clear the rules. So we have cleared the rule. So under it again, let's see what you can also do. Under it again, we can choose between a particular. Maybe we want to check a particular number between a particular number. Maybe between those are ordered between 50 to 60 or to 70. 50 to 70. Let me choose 70. Format said between 50 to 70. So you can see. So that is what we have there. We see there 50 to 70. Can you see? You can see that 50 to 70. So that is it. You can filter it out like that as well. So then, what's the next thing we can also do? Let's clear the rules. Let's clear it. So can you see? Now you can also use it to check equal to. If you want to check those that are ordered for a particular number of units, maybe 70 units, 70 units, only 70, equal to 70. So what do? Let me use another color this time around. Let me use red border. So 70. 70, what do? Check it. You can filter it out, take it out. So this is down here. Let me see. This is what we use. 70. 70. So can we see? So I think let me choose another color. So it can be clear. Now let me what we call this. Let me clear the rules for this. I will clear the rules. So 70. Let me now do it again. So it's equal to 70. So we have it 70 so that you can see it clearly. You can see it clearly. That green. Okay. So then the next thing is so you can see, have I done that? Like go there, highlights equal to 70, equal to 70. So we have dark yellow. So let's see, let's go and see what we have there. So you can see it only highlights 70. It only highlights 70. So I believe this is very clear. I believe it is very clear. So the next thing, let's just clear the rules. Let's clear it. So what steps can we use conditional formatting to do under this highlight column? We can also check for test. No, this is number. When you want to check for test, what do? You have to what? You have to look for it under test. That means I want to check for test. Maybe I want to check for a particular uh customer. And just write the name there. So what do? Go to that column where we have the customer. I want to check for a particular customer. So you want to using the names. That means under it I will come here. I will come here. So that means I come here. So once I come here, so now in case you want to look at this is always good when if you want to do this kind of thing. Maybe for example, now I want to show you something. If I want to sort this one now, if I want to sort this as it is right now, we have uh here we have sort A to Z. It is not always good to click. So many people don't normally make that mistake. They will click from the first column there. Once you click on can you see the column 2 is the customer 2 is selected, and this customer that we have here is not among that you want to sort. You are sorting the what? The names, not the customer, not the column. The names of the customers. So if you sort this one, let's check it. Let's click on sort E to Z. So can you see continue with current selection? Can you see the customer 2 is gone? So that means we are going to get a wrong analysis. Can we see? You are going to get wrong things because that customer is supposed not to be there. So that means what do? You start from the first column, the first name, which is what? Alex. So what do you now do to get the remaining one? Use you on your keyboard, you press shift. Can you see? You hold down your shift key, then followed by what? Control, then followed by the what? The arrow key. Can we see? It will select everything. It will select everything. Can we see? Once it selects everything, so what do? You have what? Can you see? So you have what? A to what? A to Z. Maybe you want to select by A to Z or Z to A. So continue with the correct selection. I just need to teach you that one first. So you can see. You can see. So we can use conditional formatting under test. So what under test? What do? You just come here after you have selected it. Can we see? So you can say tests that contain a particular what? A particular name. It can be Alex analysis or another name that we have there. Can be another name. You can pick another name, or you can also use this name. So once you pick it, click on what? Okay. So can we see? You can pick another name from here, or you can use. It depends on what you are doing. Just click on OK. This is the name I select. Alex. It will only bring information for what? For Alex there. So I believe that is clear. So let me clear the rules again. I believe we are learning a lot of things that can be done with what conditional what formatting. Clear the rules. So now let's see here. You can also use it. Another thing that you can see. Let's see there. We say you can also use it for what a date. And say for example, I want to check a day of a particular what data. And for example, now let's see. I want to check data that we input yesterday. And yesterday was like I think yesterday was 10. Let me see. 10. It was 8 of August. 10 of August rather. It's 10. It's 10. 10. 2024. 2024. So let's see what we are going to have. So we want to just get that information of that of yesterday. So what do? We can filter by what? By dates. If data has the dates, if the data has no dates, you cannot do that. But if the data has dates, you input the data of a particular. Now, so what do we do? So what you have what? So you go to you first. What do you do here? The first thing is you do here is what? You first highlight it, then go to conditional formatting, highlight says rule, then what's the next thing is go to dates occurring, so you click on it. Once you click on it, I said yesterday, you can look at it. Under it we have for today, we have tomorrow, in the last 7 days, in the next. It depends on what you are doing. I mean, I just want to check for yesterday. That's what I want to check for. So let's see what's going to give us. So I want to check for yesterday. I think yesterday's day was 11. Sorry, yesterday was 11. Let me change this to 11, not 10. So that's why it's not. I see it will reflect. Can you see? So I think let me stop here for today. This first lecture on conditional formatting. There are many things that can be done. We have looked at the first some of those functions here. Can you see? We have looked at it. Duplicate value. We can also check for duplicate values. Let me just quickly do that so I can end this video. I don't want it to be too long. Now let's see. We can check for duplicate values. So what do we do after we have highlighted this? Go there. Conditional formatting. Can we see duplicate values? So duplicates. So it will highlight only the duplicate values. Can you see? So you can also check if under text as well. This is under numbers. Let me clear the rules. You can check it here. If there is if we have a duplicate values here, the ID. We have a duplicate values here. You can check it. We have it here. Duplicate values. So duplicates. So can we see? We check for what duplicate values. So we have it like that. So now next thing